Policy management provides options to create and assign policies across all products. Policy management lets you define what data is backed up, how often it runs, how long it's retained, and which files or folders are included or excluded. Let's get started with creating a policy. First, navigate to the Exchange Backup Policies tab and click on Policy Configuration. Click on Create Policy to start the policy creation process. Enter a policy name and description to easily identify the policy. Under Backup Information, you can create schedules and assign them to the policy to trigger backups. Click on Create New Schedule to add a backup schedule. From here, you can assign a schedule name, a scheduled start time for backups to commence, and configure which days of the week the backup will run. By clicking Save Changes, your backups will automatically commence based upon your policy backup schedule. In this section, you can manage attachment size, set storage limits, and configure retention for backed up data. Asset information allows you to include or exclude specific folders for backup. Similar to Exchange policies, you can create policies for OneDrive and SharePoint. Since these are file and folder-based products, additional settings are available to manage file versions and specify allowed file extensions for backup.